to go
Yeah,
to
and there is a life.
But I have been the most happy when it was COVID time.
Yeah,
Homeschooling, I have rejoiced.
And Deepika is one of the most warm people I've ever met. How beautiful she is outside, she's 100 times more beautiful inside. And
So when I left my house, I couldn't be more happy. I think till date, I feel that was the best decision I took.
और मैं वहीं उतरती थी, वहां से ऑटो लेकर आती थी. But I was the most happiest person that time. मुझे ऐसा लगता मैं रोज काम कर रही हूँ.
The most warmest or the most kindest. Well, this is a classic case of over comparing, where two ways of showing the highest level of something are used together unnecessarily. The simple rule being, when you're describing something as being at the highest or the lowest level, use either most before the word or the est form of the word, but not both. All right? The rule says that whenever we have short words, okay, let me just help you with the simplest way that I can. Whenever we have short words means of, words of 1 to 2 syllables, use est. Syllables, the division of the words. In how many parts we can divide a word, let's say, and you can decide syllables with the number of times your jaw drops down. So let's say this word warm. It's a small word, warm. My jaw is dropping down only once. So it's a one syllable word. And in this one, I will not use most, but I will use est. So I'll say that she is the warmest girl. But let's say if there is a word which is beautiful. Beautiful. So my jaw is dropping down thrice. Beautiful. Okay, that's how you can recognize syllables. So, which means it's a big word. So whenever we have big words like, beautiful or maybe intelligent, then before these big words, before the words that are of more than 3 or more syllables, we will add most. For example, she is the most beautiful girl. He is the most intelligent student of the classroom. Right? I hope you're able to understand. This is the most warmest day. Now again, this is incorrect. Warm is a small word, so we will add est. This is the warmest day. She is the most tallest girl. Again, tall is a small word, one syllable, so we will add she is the tallest girl, right? He is the most smartest person. Now here, I will only add est, after smart. I will not add both. I'll simply say he's the smartest, in the group. Yes, I hope you're able to understand. Now, why don't you choose the correct option out of these? This is the most coldest night or this is the coldest night? Well done. This is the coldest night. She is the most brightest student or she is the brightest student? Well done. She is the brightest student. He is the funniest guy or he is the most funniest guy? Very well done. He's the funniest guy, right? Excellent. So I hope you understood, what the issue is with using both the superlative degrees together. We have to stick to one. If it's a small word, then, add est and speak the sentence like that. And if it's a big word, don't add est, add most before it, right? Excellent.